Loud buzzer. Stop scrolling. You ever wish your car could just pay your bills? No, not by driving Uber. I mean literally. What if your EV could make you money while you sleep? Yeah, I'm not kidding. This is Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm showing you how your electric car can turn into a cash spitting machine. But first, smash like if you wish your Tesla could Venmo you rent. Alright, let's get shocking. It's called vehicle to grid, or V2G. Imagine this. Your car's just chilling in your garage, but secretly it's moonlighting as a mini power plant. How? Well, when you plug in your EV, instead of just sucking up power, it can actually send electricity back to the grid. And guess what? The grid pays you for that. I know, sounds fake, right? But it's real, and people are already making bank. Let's break it down, lightning round. Charge your EV when electricity's cheap. Think late night when everyone's asleep. Later, when everyone's blasting their AC and power prices spike, your car sells some juice back to the grid. You get paid. Grid gets power. Mother Earth gets a high five. It's like being Batman, but for your wallet. Now, before you run outside and plug your Prius into a toaster, not every car or charger works with V2G yet. Nissan, Ford, Hyundai. And the best part? Some states and power companies are literally begging you to join. In California, people make up to $400 a year just for parking. That's like free Chipotle for life. Quick poll. Would you let your car pay your Netflix bill? Comment yes or no. I want to see who's brave. And hey, if you're worried about your battery wearing out, most experts say modern EVs can handle it as long as you don't go full Energizer Bunny 24/7. Look, V2G is picking up speed faster than a Tesla in ludicrous mode. If you want to get in before everyone else does, do your research, check if your car and utility allow it, and plug into some extra cash. And who knows, maybe your car can finally pay for that pineapple pizza you keep ordering at midnight. Like this video if you wish your car could do your homework too. Subscribe for more weird ways to hack your life. And don't forget to drop a comment. If your car had its own side hustle, what would it be? Alright, I'm Vinayak Gupta, and if you blinked, just hit replay. Your wallet will thank you.